What's going on, guys? MOG here. In this video I'll show you guys how you can disable or enable voice over LTE carrier check on your Xiaomi phones. In Mi 8 apparently what they have done is they have removed that option where you can disable it or enable it on your own. Instead, what you'll need to do is you'll have to go into your dialer APK and you'll have to type in hash star hash star hash 86583 hash star, and you should get a message that says voice over LTE carrier check was disabled. In order to enable it, what you'll need to do is type in the same code that I just mentioned, which is hash star 86583 hash star, and that should get the voice over LTE carrier check enabled on your phone. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys find it very useful. Cheers, bye.